Namaste, Om Namah Shivaya, this is Raz, welcome to Yoga and Fitness. So guys, today's topic is 5 Principles of Yoga by Swami Vishnudevananda ji. So these 5 Principles of Yoga is basically a science of utilizing the full potential of human body and mind to be able to obtain the best possible physical, mental as well as spiritual health. So let's talk about it. So first one is proper asanas, so which is about proper exercise, so proper exercise. Second one is proper pranayama, which is about proper breathing exercise. Third one is proper savasana, which is about proper relaxation. And the fourth one is about the sattvic food, the vegetarian food that needs to be added to our diet plan. And the fifth one is Vedanta and Dhyana, which means positive thinking and meditation. So let's talk about each one of them in detail. So the first one says asana or exercise. So when you exercise, your body becomes strong from outside, becomes fit, becomes flexible, becomes, can handle anything. So basically you have full control over your body outside. And the second one is your breathing exercise, the pranayama. So there are so many pranayamas like a Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom, Udgit, Bhramri, Sitli, Sitkari. So there are so many. So these pranayamas are made to perform so that we kind of control over our pranic energy within. So when we have a control over our pranic energy and we have a control over our body, it becomes very easy for us to be healthy forever. And then third one is savasana, which is about the relaxation. So if we take proper relaxation after each workout, because a body gets tired, the heartbeat goes up, the muscles get fatigued. So a lot of things happen to our body when we do asanas or pranayama. So proper rest is also very important. So when we do so, we kind of recover fast and then we grow fast at the same time. And the fourth one is vegetarian diet, sattvic diet. So this is also added in a yogic culture. It has been told that if you kind of take a vegetarian diet, you become healthy, you become positive, and you become flexible. And there are a lot of benefits of vegetarian diet, which you can go through Google, or you can check out the videos about the vegetarian diet also. And then the fifth one is Vedanta and Dhyana, which is about positive thinking and meditation. So where does this positive thinking comes from? So positive thinking comes from the thing that we feed our mind with. How do we feed our mind with? There are lots of sources. So each religions would have different books. So like Bhagavad Gita is there, Quran is there, Bible, Upanishads, there are Veds, there are Shastras. So there are so many books that we can refer as, and we can add it to our daily life schedule. We can go through each, some chapter on daily basis, and obviously we can feed our mind with the positivity, and obviously whatever we think, our action will be similar to that. So because mind is the biggest muscles in our body. So Sri Krishna has mentioned very nicely in Bhagavad Gita in chapter 6, slok number 5. He says about the mind. He says, Uddhared atmanatmanam natma namavasadet atmeva hyutmano bandho atmeva ripuratmanah, which means we need to elevate ourselves with the power of mind, because mind is the biggest friend or can be the biggest enemy, because enemy outside can do no harm to you until unless you have friendship with your own mind. So this is something that really makes us feel good about it. And when you talk about yoga is also explained by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita chapter 6 verse 17. He says, Yukta hara biharasya yukta chestasya karmasu yukta swapna vibodasya yoga bhavatiya dukkha, which means yoga destroys all kind of pain, be it physical or mental. It destroys everything, all the pains, if you take everything in moderation. So we need to take everything in balance. So not overdoing something, not underdoing something. So everything has to be in balance. So when we talk about these 5 principles, we can apply those 5 principles here. So we can do everything in moderation here. Exercise, okay, we do exercise, we make this this temple or this house from outside, we make it healthy and fit and flexible. And then we do pranayama again for the internal function of this particular body. So for internal functioning, we are controlling over the pranic energy and we're becoming healthy inside. Third one is we are taking proper rest so that we grow, we are recovering also at the same time. And then we are taking a proper diet also, proper food. So everything is in moderation. And the fifth one is we keep on reading the scriptures and holy books or something motivating, something uplifting in life, so which is making our life easy and which is making our mind to go beyond our capacity. Because believe me, your mind is the only thing that you need to conquer. You can conquer everything else in the life. So this is about it. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. You can like, comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because there are so many videos coming in, so that you get notification as soon as the video gets uploaded. Thank you so much. Om Namah Shivaya.